Good afternoon, traders. Good afternoon, and welcome to Paul's Money Market Update number 209 for the 5th of January 2026. Happy New Year to you all. I hope that you've all managed to enjoy a happy and healthy and prosperous festive period, and wish you the same for 2026 coming up. We've already started with a bit of a sort of lightning bolt or a few lightning bolts, etc. But more of that later. As always, you are always very welcome here, and questions and comments are always welcome. But just remember that you are always responsible for your own trading decisions. And if you're looking for a bit of help and support in your own trading, the VTP Trader Accountability Group, the tag, will be restarting this week. First calls tomorrow evening. Opportunity if you want to make 2026 your best year. So ability to sort of be part of a group that will help you stay accountable, build discipline, and invariably work on improving your forums of trading. You can ping me if you're interested, or once again, that QR code there will help you. So what we've had is we've seen energy on the pop, and also what we're seeing is this is ITA. This is one of the aerospace and defense ETFs, the iShares one. Those of you who join these sessions know that I like to sort of keep an eye on aerospace and defense. It's kind of my kind of little hobby horse. And the reason I put this up, this is the daily chart, not the weekly chart. And the reason is because on Friday afternoon I was doing my analysis. I noticed that basically this and PPA and another defense ETF and a few of the defense stocks themselves on Friday afternoon had already started pumping. They'd already started pumping on Friday afternoon. It just goes back to confirm what I've always said, is that somebody somewhere always knows something, all right? And it's just by human nature that they're going to use that for their own benefit. And is it a case of those defense companies, right? Somebody somewhere was buying into those defense companies before the weekend because they knew what was coming and that there would be likely to be a bump on that. So we can see that has already had its bump there. The pre-market numbers are not it's not as big a gap, certainly not as that on the oil companies, but if you look at a few of those defense companies, those few defense companies have had a bit of a let's say a jolly start to this week.